Imagine hiccuping non-stop for 68 years. Charles Osborne did just that. Starting in 1922, his hiccups began after a fall while trying to weigh a pig and continued at a rate of 20 to 40 times per minute, turning into a staggering estimated total of 430 million hiccups. Doctors tried everything from hypnosis to medication, but nothing worked. This relentless bout of hiccups finally ended in 1990, just a year before his death. Osborne's extraordinary struggle transformed a mundane bodily function into a lifelong ordeal, making his story one of the most bizarre medical mysteries ever recorded.